In this video, guys, I'll be showing us how to earn $2 every day from this site. I'll be showing us. So if you like to earn $2 from this site, please give this video a thumbs up. Just click that like button. Alright guys, this is the site you're going to be working on. As you can see here, the details for you to fill in are already available. This is your account information. For you to fill in, you have to fill your full name, your username, you put your password, you retype your password, you go ahead and put your email and retype your email. So at this page, the right security, that means you have to put your secret question, and after putting your secret question, you go ahead and put secret answer. This secret question can be used maybe to help you when you lost your login details. So you can just go ahead and put maybe what's your nickname in the secret question, then go ahead and answer, and my nickname is, you write it in the secret answer. You can go ahead and say what's my hobby, or put your hobby in your answer. So that's just something like that. Then after that, you go straight to your payments system. This payment system, you have to select one account you want them to be paying you. If you want Bitcoin, Litecoin, you have the Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, many of them. So each one you want, you just click on that particular coins and paste in your wallet address there. When you paste it, you go ahead and click on agree to terms and conditions. You click that I'm not a robot, then you click on register. So once you click on register, you're done with the registration. So that's all the simple way how to register on this site. So once you click on register, they'll take you to the login process where you have to fill in your details. So as I just click on login now, it will take me to where I have to fill my details. So this is where you fill in your details. You just click on your user, you put your username and password. So you put your username and password, you make sure that you click this capture and you find that you are a human being, that you are not a robot. So when you do that, you go ahead and click on login. So when you click on login, you'll be taken onto the site. So the site is just a mining site that you have to be making your earning. Look at it's opening now. So look at the site I'm going to work on. As you can see here, this is my dashboard. So this dashboard, I'll be showing us what's involved. If I show you, let's go straight to the menu of this account. You can see the account revenue. So this account revenue is just the overview. So the account overview is just an overview about this site. So you can go ahead and read it. Then if you want to increase your mining speed, you click on speed mining, speed up Litecoin mining too, because I clicked Litecoin in my registration. So look at, I can speed it up. So you can go ahead and speed up any coins you're mining. So this is a withdrawal fund. So if you want to speed up, you have to deposit, but I don't want to do that now because I want to mine the free one. So when it pays me, I know that it's paying, I will go ahead and deposit, and I'll show you guys how to do so. So first of all, let's go ahead and mine the free coins here, since they can give us for free. All right, here you deposit here, and here this is the withdrawal form. If you want to withdraw, you click here. Like if you reach the minimum withdrawal, go ahead and click here. That's your miner, and you can the deposit history. The deposit history is all details about the deposit you'll be making in this site. The same thing with the withdrawal history. How many times have you withdrawn? You see it here. So this referral, when you go to referral, you'll be seeing number of referrals you have, and you can copy your links also. So that's just the basic thing you have to know there. So let's go ahead to the site. So once you just create an account, you see the site account mining for you. As you can see, this live mining is counting. I have $0.03. So that, and it's still counting. So that's how it's counting, live mining. So once it counts to a certain amount, it transfer it back to your balance. As you can see now, I'm having 0.05. It wasn't this amount when I started. So in few minutes time, it have increased. So that's how you'll be doing it until you get to $1, you get to $2. It's just like that. So you just be mining. It's just a light mine for you. Just go and sleep while the system gets you some income. So that's just it. Look at the mining speed here, which is 100 GH per second. So this is mining speed, and this is the total withdrew. That means how much have I withdrew from it. I've not withdrawn anything. That's why I see 0.0000. Alright, below it is your referral link. Go ahead and copy it. As you can see, my referral link here is end with source 2. So that's it. And this site works along with Litecoin, Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, and many other, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and many others. So that's just it. A bit about the platform. There's no more to. So I'll just show us how to withdraw from this site. When I show us how to withdraw, there we'll end the video from there. So as you can see, you go to the menu box again and click on the withdraw funds. So when you click on the withdraw funds, you allow it to load to show you where you can withdraw your funds. So you just go to this page, but actually this is not the page you have to bring out. I'll go back and click it again. When I click on withdraw funds, it just takes me straight to where I will withdraw my in it. So let's allow it to load for a while. So guys, if you're finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and drop a comment. Just drop interesting. That if you find this video so interesting, alright guys, so this is what does pop out after clicking on the withdraw funds. You see this your account balance is 0.050, so which I showed you initially in the place we are mining it. So this is it here. So now you can see the coins you can withdraw, the processing, available, pending, and account. So here this is Bitcoin 00, this litecoin. You see there's a dot behind the litecoin which I'm mining. So that's to show you that these coins I'm mining, and that's the only place you can see a value there, a number there. That is the amount I've mined so far. So when you go straight, you see my litecoin address, which I showed you how to paste yours. So that's it, and that's the only coins I'm mining from here. So how do you now withdraw? Then if you want to withdraw, you scroll up like this. Let me zoom it for you to see. Look at the minimum withdrawal is $2. So when I hit that $2 from here, I'll just go ahead and type 2. That means the withdrawal, they've written 2 already for me. So in case you mine more than 2, you can go ahead and write 3, 4, depending on what you've mined. Then you go ahead and drop a comment for here, maybe just appreciating their site, interesting site, something like that. Drop your comment, and you can click on request. When you click on request, between 5 to 24 hours they will drop it at your wallet address. So you just have to hit from there. So that's just a simple way. Just note that the minimum withdrawal is $2, so you can just increase your mining speed and keep mining faster, more than $2 each day. So but for if you don't have cash to do that, you mine $2 each day from this site. So guys, that's what we'll be stopping from now. So guys, if you like this video, if you get value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. All right, don't forget to share.